Guys, in the day 3 video, this is where we are going to be installing the clear plastic sheet that will hold photo IDs. To do this step, you're going to need your duct tape, ruler, X-Acto knife, your billfold that we've been working on, playing card, as well as a sheet of clear plastic. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is this clear plastic is going to be the film that goes over your ID. This playing card, we're just going to use that as a stencil. So I'm going to line it up kind of in the corner. If I line it up in a corner, not only does that save material, but it also means I only make 2 cuts instead of 4. Okay, so now I have a clear plastic sheet that will be the same size as my card. Okay, the plastic sheet, we're just going to set to the side. Make sure you know where it's at because they are hard to see. They're clear. Okay, now as far as the tape you need, it's going to be a pretty easy day. We're just going to cut 2 pieces of tape, one at 4 inches and one of them at 3 inches. First one I'm going to do is 4 inches. Line up my 0 on the left, find the 4, make a mark. And I'm going to cut that one there. And then I'm going to leave it on the board. The next one I'm going to do is a 3-inch piece. Roll out my tape. Line up my 0 on the left side. Make a mark at the 3. I'm going to make that cut. Okay. So once I have my 2 pieces cut, the next step is to cut these into strips so we can assemble our wallet. I'm going to rotate my board so I'm cutting down. Now this 3-inch piece, I'm going to cut that down the middle. So we make 2 pieces that are 3 inches. I'm going to cut the 4-inch piece down the middle, making 2 pieces that are 4 inches. So once I have those cut, I'm going to bring back my clear plastic sheet, and I'm going to set it so the long side is horizontal, top and bottom. With the 3-inch piece, I'm going to grab one of the strips, and on the right side, I'm going to lay it so it is half on and half off the plastic. I know it's hard to see because it's clear, but now since it's half on, half off, I'm going to be able to fold that over. And what that does is it creates a lip that isn't sticky. This will allow us to set the ID and the plastic. Okay, so once we have that done, I'm going to grab the wallet. I'm going to line it so the plastic is lined up with the left edge. Now I'm going to use the other 3-inch piece to hold down that plastic, but it is half on, half off, because I'm going to fold over the excess to close up the wallet. Okay, so now you can see we still have kind of a flappy plastic piece, so you can kind of assume where these 4-inch pieces are going to go. I'm going to take one of them. I'm going to run it along the bottom. Fold over the excess to the bottom side. And then I'm going to take the top piece Line it up towards the top edge. Making sure I fold over the excess inside the billfold, not all the way over the top, otherwise you'll tape your billfold shut. And in the moment of truth, I'm going to take my ID, and it doesn't quite fit. So what I can do is with my knife, just make a small slit. And then now it will fit. So once you have this done, you are basically done with your billfold. So at this point, you can kind of fold it over, make sure it's folded tightly. You can use the table clamp. You can just sit there and hold it shut. You can sit on it. And then at this point, we're just going to go and you can decorate it. You can fix any seams that you might want to change the color of, but you are finished. Congratulations.